Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to start building now. Sign into Glide with your Google account and create a new app. Pick an existing Google Sheet or a Glide table so your data flows instantly. Once created, open the data editor and confirm columns, title, description, image, status. This ensures components map cleanly. Next, switch to layout and choose list or tiles so you see real records as you design. By starting with actual data, you avoid layout guesswork and speed up the first working prototype. Now you'll design screens and add logic. Drag an image, text, and button into your item template and bind them to the corresponding sheet columns so content updates automatically. Next, attach actions to buttons, edit row for inline edits, show details for a record screen, or link to screen for navigation, and set conditions to control when they appear. Use computed columns for simple formulas like concatenation or dates, and apply filters and visibility rules to create focus. Finish by testing and publishing. Preview your app on mobile and desktop, exercising edit and navigation flows. Make sure your bindings are correct and sharing permissions match who should access the app. When everything looks right, click Publish and choose Private or Public, then copy the URL or QR for distribution. If something breaks, troubleshoot by resyncing the Google Sheet, checking column types and computed columns, and verifying visibility rules. One key tip: fix permission errors first. They are the most common blocker to real users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.